Welcome back. Today Sandy and I are out here at our favorite pond to get some pictures of the female kingfisher that we've been photographing lately. I'm going to show you the pre-capture feature on the Canon R5 II. Alright, pre-continuous shooting mode, aka pre-capture. To set it up, make sure your camera is in electronic shutter mode because pre-capture only works in that mode. Next, go to the red menu and to the 6th tab. Go to the second option entitled Pre-Continuous Shooting and enable it. And right down below that, you can see electronic mode has been selected. So once that's enabled, you're ready to go. Now let's get to shooting the kingfisher. So there's a couple things to mention here. Using this mode will use more battery life, so be sure to have more than one battery if you plan on using this mode for very long. For me, this mode was much easier to use with my camera mounted to a tripod. I was able to use it handheld, but it's much more difficult to keep a good composition. This kingfisher caught her a fish. Okay, so here's how this all looks in the viewfinder. You'll notice at the top left-hand corner there's a symbol of a stopwatch with the word PRE next to it. This symbol appears when you half press the shutter button. You'll know you have pre-capture activated if you see that symbol. Part of getting the most out of this feature is knowing the behavior of the wildlife you're photographing. Here are a few examples of photos I've captured using this pre-capture feature. Now these are far from perfect in composition, lighting, etc., but they show some of the bird's pre-flight poses. Okay, we're headed back to the back pond here. We found out that there's a great blue heron in the back fishing. So we're going to go in here and see what we can get. So we watched this great blue heron hunt the shallow pond for about an hour, so I was able to put the pre-capture to the test. So here's some video taken with my Atomos Ninja 5 so you can see how it will look through the viewfinder. Each of these videos is followed by a sample processed image captured using this feature. Okay, so here's some more example images captured using this pre-continuous shooting mode. I hope this video helped you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.